you're ready to step into the world of more creative photography, optical filters can be a fun path to take. They can really help stretch the capabilities of your camera, giving you more control over your shutter speed and aperture, allowing you to take pictures like this. Traditional lens filters generally rely on lens threadings that make changing or adding filters time-consuming. But with this diverse line of magnetic filters from the folks over at Neewer, you can swap between filters with precision and ease. No more fumbling with filters because the threadings won't line up or filters falling off because they're not screwed on properly. Neewer's magnetic filter kits come with a mixture of filters to suit your needs, including a variety of neutral density filters, a UV filter, a circular polarizing filter, their Blackmagic diffusion filter, a magnetic lens cap, and an adapter ring. And yes, the magnets are very strong. Numerous drop tests never once separated any of the filters from the adapter. This kit also features a water-resistant pouch with dividers to help keep you organized. Alright, so what's in here? Neutral density filters reduce or modify the intensity of light coming into your camera, allowing you to shoot at slower shutter speeds and wider apertures. This picture that I took in the middle of a brightly lit morning is a disaster. The shadows look okay, but the highlights are absolutely blown. Throw on one of Neewer's ND filters and a carefully placed flash, and the drama pops immediately. The ND8 gives you 3 stops of light reduction, and the ND64 provides 6, and the ND1000 gives you 10 stops of light reduction, which is ridiculously dark. But if you're going to be taking pictures of something like a bright ocean sunset, you're gonna want this. A polarizer filter is super handy when shooting in bright environments because it lowers the intensity of glare and reflections from things like glass, water, or windows.
A circular polarizer is even better because by rotating the filter you can increase or decrease the effect. By the way, I'm here today with Marley.
Hi.
So here's Marley without any kind of filter. It's too bright, right? So I slap on one of Neewer's polarizer filters and I can darken the sky, but notice how the clouds are not affected. That's because a polarizer will also preserve and increase contrast and color.
A polarizer will also act as an ND filter, darkening the entire image by about 1 or 2 stops.
There's a lot of disagreement about the use of UV filters, but it all seems to boil down to the quality of UV filter that you're using and what you're using it for. If you're shooting in windy conditions, a UV filter can go a long way to protecting your very valuable camera lens. A UV filter can also reduce haze, improve clarity, and block ultraviolet rays, which can be a problem in some high elevation and mountain photography. A UV filter isn't something that every photographer needs, but if you have to have one, you want one that's made of quality glass. The black diffusion filter is a real treat. It reduces contrast, diffuses highlights, and lowers glare for a soft, cinematic effect on video and photography. All of these filters are made from top-of-the-line optical glass with multiple nano coatings on both sides to make them resistant to scratches, water, and oil, and they're very easy to clean. No color shifting, no loss of detail. And can we talk about filter stacking? Because, oh yeah, it's a breeze. Stack as many filters as you need to get the look you're trying to go for. Check out the Magnetic Filter series from Neewer.